What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm like out of breath. You would think that my bed is like a king size for how long it just took me to make it. It's a full. Don't put your bed in like the corner where it's against the wall. It's literally the most annoying thing to make, but it makes my room like have so much space. I figured it's 1:48 right now. I have so much homework to do, and here I am filming. Like, whatever, of course, like that's just, you know, my life. I really need to clean my closet, and I really want to go through the clothes and get rid of what I don't wear to donate. My friend is collecting winter coats for one of her families, and so I already said that I have one for her, so I just want to see if there's like anything else that I have in there that she could use for this family. There's so many things in there that I don't wear anymore, and they're just taking up so much space. Like even the top of my closet, like it's a disaster. That's really what I just want to plan to do today. I also got a facial. Let me take my glasses off so maybe you'll see it a little better. I'm a little sweaty, so don't mind. But like, look at my skin. I think it looks pretty good. I got a Dermaplane and Oxygen facial, and I really like the Dermaplane because I've shaved my face before, but obviously that doesn't take the dead skin off my face. It was just super, super, super relaxing, and my skin was glowing when she finished. Definitely gonna do that facial again. Hopefully it'll keep my skin looking nice. I still have like blemishes that I need to get rid of, but whatever, that's life. Let's get to cleaning my closet because it's a mess and I want to do my homework, so let's get started. This is what we're working with. That's one side, and here's the other side. As you can tell, don't mind my little tree. Let's see if I can move it. As you can tell, there's so much stuff in here that needs to go. So let's get to it. So I was cleaning my closet, and I knew this was in here, but I haven't opened it literally in years. So opened it a little while ago and almost cried. Like, oh my god, I miss it. I used to play the saxophone when I was young. Like I started in 3rd grade and I finished in, like, I stopped at the end of 8th grade. I really liked it from intermediate school. Well, that's what my school district called it. 3rd to 5th grade was intermediate. The music was super interesting. Like, it was fun, like jazzy stuff, really just hip stuff, like fun to play. And then as we got into middle school, I stopped, like I lost interest in it because the music became boring and it was more like classical stuff. A lot of like clarinet and flute kind of music, not a lot of like jazz. I wasn't in the jazz band, so I feel like maybe I would have liked it better if I was in jazz band. At the end of 8th grade, I was like, I'm not playing into high school. But when, you know, 3rd to 5th grade, the music was fire, so much fun to play. I think when I was in, I think 7th grade, we played the Incredibles theme song, and that was like the best song that I remember playing in middle school because everything else was just so boring. Oh my god, I miss it. Like, once I'm done with school and like I have time to actually focus on me, I think I'm gonna start to play again. Like, I can't remember some of the keys. Like, I feel like this is an A. I think this is a C. I think this is a B, a G, and I can't remember if this is a G sharp or a G flat. And then down here, I'm just losing it. D. Is it? No, it's a F. I can't remember. I don't remember. Definitely once I'm done with school and I have me time, I'm going to start like watching YouTube videos on the notes and things like that and just relearn how to play this thing, because it really was my life from when I was like 8 until 10, 11. I mean, even when I was in middle school, I enjoyed playing, but like if the music was more fun, I would have took it more seriously. But I mean, from 3rd to 5th grade, I was practicing like every day after school, just really into my music. I was like 2nd chair in band, and I only wasn't 1st chair because a 5th grader was in the 4th grade band for some reason, and I challenged him and I played the wrong note, so he didn't even get a chance to play and beat me, but whatevs. So yeah, I got a little emotional when I opened it the first time, just because it was like a big part of my childhood. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. It may not look like I've made progress, but I have. There was a portion of this video where the time lapse, I'm still trying to learn how to figure out the time lapse settings, so it stopped recording because I guess it hit the amount of shots. So those 2 bags have clothes in it that I'm going to donate. This bag here has my sandals that I'm just going to put downstairs until the spring and summer come around, and then I have to really put all of these away in an organized fashion in my closet. And then this hamper, I don't know, there's just a whole bunch of hangers in there right now that I'm not using, so I don't know what to do with it. Those book bags over there, I think I'm going to get another garbage bag and put them inside and keep them downstairs or something, because I don't use them right now, so there's really no point in keeping them in my closet. It's 3:17. I still need to do my homework, still need to make my chicken, still need to do my hair, so I really need to like pick up the pace, because opening the sacks like really took some time just because I need to like get myself together. But now I'm back and I still have a whole bunch of stuff to put back in my closet. Chloe wants to come in, but she's like getting in the way and she's chewing on stuff, so I had to take her out. I feel bad, but okay, let's get back to cleaning this mess up. I'm taking a break. I'm hungry. So what am I gonna have? My go-to. Getting my waffles ready. Oh my god, I can't wait. I'm also making eggs. I'm like literally having breakfast right now. Should 2 eggs, 3 eggs? 3. I'm upset because like I said that I was gonna do homework today and I haven't, and it's like almost 4:30 and my room is still not cleaned. I don't know what to do. I know that I have to do homework, but I need to like pick up the pace with this room because it really is like stressing me out. And I think my closet doesn't even look that clean because like there's still stuff everywhere. I'm just waiting for my food to be finished, so like while I'm waiting, I'm just going to watch some YouTube and then eat and then get back to that mess of a room. So that's the finished product. It's dark. I need like a closet light. I feel like it still looks messy up top, but I guess not as messy. This hanger is all messed up because the dress is broken. So, well, not the dress, but the strap is broken, so the hanger keeps hanging like that because it's not hung evenly. But yeah, so I mean, I definitely got a lot out of it clothes-wise. There's just so much stuff. Maybe another day I'll be able to get all those out of there and make it look neater. But those 2 bags are from my closet that I am donating. So I definitely found a lot of things that I no longer need that I'm able to give to those who need it most. So I'm just gonna end this video here. I feel like I didn't really accomplish much. Like I wanted to clean that closet and it still looks messy, so I should probably like find things to give away. But so I hope you enjoyed watching me somewhat clean my closet. I feel like it was a fail, but whatever. But I'm going to do some laundry and really do homework now because this has, what time is it? It's like 5:30. I started this around what time? 1:30, 2:30? I think no, but I'm over it. I'm gonna go do some homework now. So thanks for watching me attempt to clean my closet even though it didn't go as planned. It's fine. See you guys later. Bye.